Around here, we love any excuse for a party, and why not have a party for Groundhog Day? About 20 years ago, we started having a party with a group of friends, and we get together. We have a food theme. It could be anything related to groundhog being sausage, any sausage related food, or a food that maybe groundhogs might eat. Sometimes people bring like a lettuce salad or vegetables. I've made a meatloaf in the shape of a groundhog, cheese ball in the shape of a groundhog, all kinds of cupcakes and cookies and candies shaped like groundhog. We've even made no-bake cookies, which we call groundhog poop. And some people have even brought meatballs, and they can be, you know, for our party, everyone brings their food, and then we all vote on the food that we like best, and then we have a stuffed groundhog that we pass around every year, and the winner gets to take that home and then brings it back the next year to pass on to a new participant. Next, we play a trivia game. I usually just make up trivia questions about Groundhog Day movie or about groundhogs or winter or whatever. And in fact, if you're interested in those, my email address is down below, and you can send me an email, and I would be glad to send you those trivia answers, or questions and answers. And then we watch the movie, and we've watched it every year since then, so we pretty much know it by heart. So it's a lot of fun. We just love, like I said, just any excuse to get together. But today I'm going to show you a couple of the foods that we usually make. We'll go ahead and get started making some Groundhog Day candies and some no-bake cookies. So let's get started. Okay, here are the items that you'll need. First of all, you'll need the regular size Reese's peanut butter cups. So you'll need as many as you're wanting to make. There's 2 in each package here, or you can buy the larger sizes. You'll need some miniature marshmallows, and these are going to be the teeth, and some candy eyes, and then M&ms, and then you'll just sort through and pull out the ones that are brown for the ears and the nose. And then you'll need some sort of something for the cheeks, and these work great. These are just the little candy drops that you can melt in the microwave. And then I have a few of them that I'm going to melt in the microwave to use as my glue. I'll melt these and we'll get going. Okay, I start with the little chubby cheeks. So I'll put a dab of chocolate on for the cheeks. And then just position the cheeks. You can make them touch or close. And then we'll do the eyes up here. Just a tiny little dot for the eyes. There you go. And now the teeth. My chocolate is starting to harden, so I'll try to quickly hurry here. There you go. Now a little dab for the nose and each of the ears. And there you go. Isn't he so cute? Okay, the ingredients that you need for the no-bake cookies or groundhog poop are 1/4 cup of butter. And we're going to use a pan, and we're going to have our burner on medium high. And then we also need 4 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 cups of sugar, and 1/2 cup of milk. And we'll stir that together, and then we'll slowly bring it to a boil. And then once it's boiling, we'll let it boil for at least a full minute, watching very closely and stirring constantly. In order for it to harden, you really do need to let it boil for that full minute. Otherwise, they'll just be chewy and they won't be nice and fudgy. Okay, I'm going to start the timer for 1 minute. Okay, now we will turn off the burner and add 1/2 cup of peanut butter and stir that in, and then we will add 2 cups of quick oats. Stir until that's completely incorporated. In the meantime, I have a piece of parchment paper on the counter because as soon as we pour the oatmeal, we're going to have to be quick and scoop it out onto parchment paper or wax paper and let it set. Okay, now the 2 cups of oats. Now we'll take it over to the counter and start scooping. You can scoop whatever size you like and just do like little piles. Okay, then we just let those set and they'll harden. It'll probably be, yeah, they're starting to set already. Maybe an hour and they'll be ready to put in a container, an airtight container, and they're good for several days. Okay, our no-bake cookies turned out great. They're nice and fudgy and they won't last long. I'll probably have to make another batch before Groundhog Day. I will have the recipe and directions down below for the cookies and the Groundhog candies. So check that out and mark it on your calendar, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. So let's go ahead and start a trend. We're all going to have Groundhog Day parties. I will also have links for all of the items, the cookie cutter, Groundhog cookie cutter, if you want to check that out, and the decorations that we use. So thank you so much for stopping by and for following along. It was a fun video. So come back again. Please like and subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you. Bye. Oops, you can use tweezers if that would make it easier. So come back again and